What did he get to his boy? Let's get back with another reaction video. Today we're reacting to Hanha Needless Autopsy. God dang. That's a tongue twister right there. With MKULTRA and Bearded Legend. Oh my gosh, it's another beat by Disaster, bro. This man Disaster's a guy on these beats, bro. Woo! So I'm heavily excited. And it looks like he has the freaking creature from Alien. Was that the show? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. So let's get straight. It's distraction, bro. Can't forget the handy dandy. Where'd they go? Where'd the turtle be? Oh, I dropped him. I'm sorry. Turtle beast, bro. Let's get it. Okay. Huh? Okay. I know you're both before heard my music. Disaster makes you want to be a rapper so bad, bro. I do love all y'all voices. Y'all voices. Okay. Hanha, you killed it, bro. I really forgot to take him off. I really enjoyed your part, bro. I enjoyed your verse. And I certainly enjoyed your voice. Your voice is freaking fantastic. I'm gonna need you to get some salty water, gargle with it, because I know your voice is hurting after that, bro. What's the word? The passion. There we go. The passion behind your voice, bro. It really made this song, and I really freaking enjoyed this, bro. Freaking MKULTRA, bro. You did your thing too, my guy. Your vocals was on fleek also. Bearded Legend, you came out of nowhere, surprised me. With your flow and sounding like Cherry, bro. I really freaking enjoyed it too, bro. This whole track altogether was a 10 out of 10, bro. I really enjoyed this track. I'm gonna have to keep my eyes on all. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 of y'all, including you, Disaster, my guy. I'm gonna have to keep out for your beats. I'm gonna have to make a whole playlist just of your beats, bro, because the shit's pure heat. But bro, This was a dope track, man. Hana, you did your thing. And these features are freaking legendary, bro. But if you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you do have any other reaction videos for me, leave them in the comment section of every single comment. And I will get to yours when I can, bro. And I'm out.